Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. No faces, no distractions, just clear, creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. Whether you're into handcrafted furniture, smart storage, or cozy aesthetics, we're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today we will show you a collection of functional and stylish small space wooden desk design project ideas as powerful motivator for the woodworker. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. In a world where space is becoming increasingly limited and multifunctional living is essential, the concept of a small space desk has transformed from a mere piece of furniture to a lifestyle necessity. For the modern woodworker, designing and building the perfect small space desk is more than just a project. It's a compelling opportunity to merge practicality with beauty, to solve a common problem with skill and style, and to create something deeply personal yet universally needed. This functional and stylish woodworking project taps into the very essence of what makes woodworking so rewarding: the ability to shape the environment around us in meaningful and intentional ways. The appeal of building a small space desk lies first in its inherent challenge. Unlike expansive desks that can dominate a room, a small space desk must accomplish more with less. It needs to be compact, yet comfortable, unobtrusive, yet aesthetically pleasing, minimal, yet maximally useful. This constraint becomes a creative playground for the woodworker. Every decision, from dimensions and materials to joinery and finish, carries weight. The limitations of the project force a kind of precision and thoughtfulness that strengthens both craftsmanship and design thinking. In building such a desk, the woodworker is not just creating a piece of furniture, but solving a spatial puzzle with elegance. One of the most motivating aspects of this woodworking endeavor is its universal relevance. In today's world, where remote work, homeschooling, and personal hobbies often require dedicated workspaces, the demand for small, efficient desks has surged. People need solutions that fit into tight corners, that tuck into unused nooks, that can transform a bedroom wall or hallway into a productive zone without overwhelming the space. For the woodworker, this creates not just a personal motivation, but a potential market. Whether the desk is being crafted for one's own home or as a product to sell, it has clear purpose and value. That connection to real-world need fuels both passion and productivity. From a design standpoint, the small space desk is a canvas of possibility. Its compact form allows for experimentation with style, whether sleek and modern, rustic and raw, Scandinavian and light, or traditional and ornate. Woodworkers can select woods that match the tone they wish to set: rich walnut for depth and sophistication, pale ash for brightness and minimalism, reclaimed pine for warmth and character. The finish can be matte for a modern touch, glossy for a more polished look, or natural oil to highlight the organic beauty of the grain. The beauty of the project lies in these details. Each choice contributes to the overall atmosphere the desk will create in its intended space. Functionality remains at the heart of the small space desk. This is where woodworking skill truly shines. A well-built desk should feel effortless to use. It should have thoughtful features, perhaps a drawer that glides smoothly, a cubby for notebooks, a groove for charging cables, or a fold-out shelf for extra workspace. These additions don't just serve utility, they enhance the user's daily life. The act of designing and building them reinforces the woodworker's understanding of human needs, how people sit, reach, organize, and work. That kind of empathetic design is one of the most meaningful aspects of craft. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We hope this video brought you both calm and creativity. We believe in the beauty of well-made spaces and handcrafted pieces. Subscribe for more faceless inspiration and join us on a journey of thoughtful design and woodworking. There's also a sense of personalization that makes building a desk so rewarding. Unlike mass-produced furniture, a handmade desk can be tailored specifically to its user. It can match the height and posture of its owner, fit exactly into a designated space, or reflect the personal style and habits of the person who will use it daily. This deep level of customization elevates the project beyond mere utility. It becomes an extension of identity, crafted by hand for a unique purpose and person. For many woodworkers, that connection is what brings true satisfaction. The process of building the perfect small space desk also offers numerous learning opportunities, especially for those still honing their craft. Working on a desk integrates a range of woodworking techniques: accurate measuring, cutting, joinery, surface preparation, and finishing. It may include elements like dovetail joints, mortise and tenon connections, edge banding, or even inlays for decorative detail. The relatively small scale of the project allows for focused attention without becoming overwhelming. As such, it's a perfect balance between simplicity and skill, manageable in size, yet rich in complexity. Moreover, this type of project lends itself to creative problem-solving. How do you make a desk with storage that doesn't feel bulky? How do you integrate a charging station without compromising aesthetics? How can legs be shaped to maximize legroom in a tight corner? These are the types of questions that fuel innovation. For the passionate woodworker, each challenge is an invitation to think differently, to push their own boundaries, and to develop unique solutions that elevate their craft. The impact of building a small space desk doesn't end when the last coat of finish is applied. Once the desk is placed in its new home, its real value begins to emerge. It becomes a place of focus, a corner of clarity, a setting where ideas are born and tasks are completed. For students, it might become the space where they learn and grow. For professionals, it's a workstation that supports their goals. For artists, it becomes a creative launchpad. Knowing that one's work is enabling and enriching another person's daily life adds deep fulfillment to the effort. For those looking to monetize their woodworking skills, small space desks offer tremendous potential. Their high demand, combined with their manageable size and customization options, makes them an ideal product to market. They are small enough to produce efficiently in limited workshops, and their practicality makes them attractive to a wide range of customers. Selling through online marketplaces, local craft fairs, or even custom commissions can generate consistent income. In addition, offering versions with modular features, like detachable legs for shipping ease or color and size options, can expand their appeal. For many woodworkers, this project becomes not just a labor of love, but a business opportunity that aligns craftsmanship with customer demand. Beyond all practical considerations, the emotional journey of building a small space desk holds its own quiet power. In a world filled with distractions and disposable goods, crafting something that brings order, beauty, and purpose into someone's life is a deeply satisfying act. The desk becomes a metaphor for clarity and focus, crafted with care to support others in doing meaningful work. It reminds the woodworker of their ability to shape more than just wood. They shape experiences, habits, and environments. In the end, the perfect small space desk is not just a woodworking project, it's a statement of intent. It reflects the values of simplicity, intentional design, sustainability, and personal expression. It challenges the maker to think both practically and artistically, to solve real problems with graceful solutions, and to pour skill into something that matters. For the woodworker, building such a desk is not just about creating furniture. It's about leaving behind a piece of craftsmanship that stands as both tool and inspiration in someone else's life. And that, perhaps, is the most powerful motivation of all. Well, dear viewers, thanks for watching Decor Ideas. If you're ready to transform your space or start your next build, stick with us. Subscribe for more design-focused woodworking inspiration delivered in calm, faceless style. We'll see you again with more beauty in every frame. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.